match. Gates open, they're up and racing. Iconic draws for your lead, moving up. Heaven Sent to grab the lead. Wind Turbulence is by the rail. Big Bang is racing in fourth, followed by Grand Affair and Anonymous is running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 900, Heaven Sent, Iconic, almost as one this time. Then racing in third, Wind Turbulence. Closing in fourth is Big Bang, Grand Affair racing in fifth. And Anonymous still running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 600, Iconic takes the lead over Heaven Sent in second by the rail, and racing in third is Wind Turbulence. Big Bang remains in fourth, and Grand Affair Anonymous as they turn to the last 450. Iconic is still leading the field. Heaven Sent fighting back once again down on the inside. Big Bang is on the outside. Iconic, Big Bang now moving up on the outside and grabbing the lead. Big Bang now the leader over Iconic, Wind Turbulence, and finally Big Bang. Wind Turbulence, Iconic, Anonymous, Grand Affair, and Heaven Sent.
Okay.